how to fix camera not working in TikTok in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly check your camera works properly or not. Now here you can see my camera works properly. Now go back to home screen and open TikTok. After turn on your TikTok, then here you can see the plus icon. Now click on this plus icon. Firstly log in your account. After login account, then allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone. Now click on open settings. Now here you can give an access to your camera for TikTok. If you turn this camera button off, then turn it on. After turning this button on, your camera have access to use TikTok like that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.